Alright, we're back. Interruptions. Okay, gotta set our module here, so we're on Vose. Vose is switch 1 is on. Even though we don't have Vose yet. Do switches here. Oh, it was on. Damn, those things look they're off. They're on. Okay. Curve 1 is off. Let's see, rev limiter. How do you turn it off? 7,000. That's it? That sucks. 7,000 for pussies. How do you shut the damn thing off? Damn, this piece of crap. I have to reprogram to do that. Well, it's definitely going to be on for 7,000. I'm going to hit 7,000 in a heartbeat. That sucks. Okay, well, we're going to have to reprogram this thing. I'll have to get a different one on here. This one sucks. Can't believe it's only got 7,000 on it. And we're going to be single fire on, which is that one. Okay, so 7,000. The cams comes on at 7,000. Yeah. Alright. I don't like that. I'm going to see if I got something else. That's all I got now. I got a programmable one, but I don't have time to deal with it. It's just going to hit early at 7,000. Oh well. And there's the phone interruption already. Alright, we're back. I'm working this up through all these zip ties and stuff here. Come on. Good until I got to this one. There it goes. Still got a ton of extra wire. Alright, what do we got here? Make sure we got plenty of wire to not get crowded into anything. Okay, that's good. This goes up the other side over here. Rather not be there, that's what the exhaust pipe is. Stay away from heat sources is a good thing to do. Get between the frame and the oil tank here would be a good call. Twist and turn it in line, I'm trying not to do. That's exactly what happens though when you do this. Frame, sharp edge. Okay, so come out of here, a nice good loop up there. There, I don't have the clamp yet for there, but if I find it, I'll have it. We're going across that oil line, across the frame, up through there, zip tie, behind the frame, because the exhaust pipe's coming through here. You don't want none of this exhaust heat getting near the wiring. And we're going out the other side over there. So now it's just a matter of figuring out what the hell is going on the other side. There's some tools over there. Got some strippers and crimpers. Good fancy stuff. And this. Okay, and come out over here, and we're going to figure out where this goes. So let me figure this out. I'll be back. Okay, back at it. I'll give it 5 minutes. I'll be interrupted again. Okay. Get all the wires. This comes up cleanly. Let's see, here's another zip tie sitting right there waiting to be used. Just get it up in there like this. And of course I didn't bring any of my tools. Here we go. I did bring them. Can't see them. Yep. Green wire didn't make it. Green wire is trying to go somewhere else. Well, this wire always wants to twist. Never make it go straight. Okay, that looks good there to me. A little extra wire. Just wad it up right behind the coil. Because we will be back in here again. Okay, so for these wires here, we don't need these right now. Green one. Green and blue, so I'm going to lose the green. Green and violet, I mean. Those two. So I cut them so they can't touch each other. I'm going to shove them back in the harness here. Shove back in, crush them flat. There you go. So there if you need them. Everything's getting black. My hands are so clean. Get some of the oil off them. These wires don't turn all black. Oh, look at that. They are different colors. Amazing how that works. Okay. Come to here, like this. Okay. Go right down to our coil. Hang it up. This I'll just twist it up in here somehow and hide it. Figure I'm going to tuck that up in there somehow. That. Shorten those way up. Those are out there I don't want them to be. It's really not how I want it. We'll see how we do that. Need a coil. One coil. There's your mounting bracket, support plate, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to go to, it's got to be a hole there, I just can't see it. Really want to put some protective sleeving over that. I don't like raw wires. Somewhere down there's a damn bolt. There. Tight. That's tight. Okay, that's on. What I want to do for these wires. Tie those up over there. Okay, I need a piece of conduit, about 3 inches long. I'll go find something. We'll be back.